Alright, so hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. So guys, together we're going to learn how to cut a one-way collar and stitch it. Okay, we're going to cut it and we'll stitch it. Alright, so without wasting time, if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe guys. Subscribe so that whenever I drop my videos, you'll be notified. Okay, so without wasting time, this is a shirt right here that I want us to do this collar pattern on it. Okay, so watch carefully what I'm going to do. I'm going to first of all measure the neck of the shirt round so that we're going to get the size of this neck here. Okay, so watch carefully. I'm going to measure it. Can you see that I'm measuring it to ensure that the result I get is accurate? Can you see this? So you can see that the size of this neck here is 8¾ all right, 8¾ almost 9 inches. That is 17½. Okay, 8¾ is 17½. all right, so we're going to identify the center here. This is the midpoint, which is 8¾ can you see that? 8¾ So let's go ahead. This is our collar gum. All right, this is the collar gum where we are going to be applying our measurement, drafting our collar. Like I said, it's a one-way collar. Okay, this one, both the small and the main collar, they are going to be attached together. It's a very simple method of making a shirt collar. Alright guys, so if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, this is the point where you hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I drop my videos, you'll be the first to be notified. So without wasting time guys, I'm just trying to make this straight, flat, so we don't have an error. Okay, so you see what we have here. This is our 8¾ mark there. Make a straight line to the upside, that is to the downside, that is 8¾ So watch carefully how I'm going to curve this color. I'm going to mark 1 inch. That's a 1 inch mark I'm making there, and I'll join the 2 points together. Now I'm going to come up here by a 1/4 inch, and I'll come in by 3 inches, and I'll use my French curve to curve this properly. This is simply the shaping of the collar. I'll come to the midpoint here, still go up by 1/4 inch, then I'll come in as well by 3 inches, and I'll see. Now watch the way I'm turning my French curve. Watch carefully the way I'm using it. Very important. So now I'm going to go up here by 2½ inches. That's the main collar. Okay, then I'll go up here by 1¼ inch. All right, so watch carefully how I'm going to curve this. I'll be using my French curve to get this curve. It's quite simple, very simple. All right, so after getting that curve, just make sure it's not pointed at the center there. I'll come this way, come in here by 3/4 inch. Let me see this. Come in here by 3/4 inch. Then I'll make this line, okay, meet with the. Just watch carefully what I'm doing. I'm coming in here. I'll just extend the line to get something accurate. So I'll come in there by a 1/4, just a 1/4. Then I'll join this. Alright, and then watch carefully what I'm doing here. I'll see come up by 0.1 there, come down by 0.1 and still curve it down. I like it when it's a bit curving down, not so pointed. So watch carefully how I'm going to cut this out. Very simple and straightforward. Alright, so guys, like I said, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on. I would really appreciate if you subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you so much. Right, so we are done with cutting this. The next thing is for us to go ahead and gum it, okay, to the fabric we are using for the collar. I see this. I'm not going to divide this line. I'm going to leave it like this. So at the end, let me just show us an example of how this will look like when we are done. Okay, so this is the collar. You can see it's forming, guys. You can see how interesting this is. See it forming already. So this is how our collar is going to look like by the time we are done and we stitch it. So let's iron it to the fabric. I've ironed it to the fabric. Okay, so I'll just use my hemming gum here at the edges. Okay, so the way I gum and leave about about 1 inch allowance under here. So I'm going to fold it inwards. Just watch carefully, guys. It's quite simple. Very, very simple. See the way I'm folding it. So now let's go ahead. Just watch carefully how I'm going to stitch this. Okay, very simple. Watch carefully. Now while stitching this, I'm not stitching on top of the collar. I am stitching at the base of the collar, beside the collar. Very, very important to take note. So I will just stitch that way. Have to be very careful so that you don't stitch on top of the collar gum. All right, the collar gum, you don't stitch it. You don't, the needle shouldn't climb it. Okay, though I'm reducing the allowance, what is remaining, very important. So watch carefully how I'm going to turn it in. Okay, just arrange my allowance here, my seam allowance there properly, then I'll place my finger there to make sure it's in place, and I'll turn it over. Okay, very simple and interesting. We're done with that side. Let's turn the second side. Okay, So can you see this? I've gone ahead to iron it. Okay, you can see how it's looking so flat. Now watch carefully the stitch I'm going to make on this. Okay, very important. Watch carefully the stitch I'm going to make. Now this stitch I'm making it close to the edge. Okay, close to the edge, just at about a 1/4 inch allowance that I'm making that stitch. Okay. All right, now let's get over to the table and iron it properly. But let's reduce this allowance here. We're leaving just about 1/2 inch allowance. Okay, we don't need it much, just about 1/2 inch allowance remaining here. It's okay. 0.3. Okay, so now watch carefully how I'm going to iron this. Now it's better when you iron it at the table, okay, so that the collar assumes its original shape before fixing, so that after stitching it to the shirt you don't begin to struggle to iron it. So you can see what I'm doing, taking my time to iron it to give it that accurate shape, so that by the time I stitch it to the shirt I won't have to iron again. Can you see this? This is our collar right here. Can you see how it's looking? Very interesting. You see this? So let's get the midpoint of the collar, so that we'll go over to the machine and stitch it. That's the midpoint. So look, there's also a midpoint I made on that shirt there. I made a notch to identify the midpoint at the back. So the notch I made on the collar, we match the notch I made, okay, on the shirt, so that we'll be sure that the collar is sitting at the center. All right, this is where you pay close attention. Watch carefully to see how I'm stitching this collar. You see, while stitching the collar itself, it has to remain here. There has to be allowance here. I'll show you. Can you see the small allowance I have here? Is because of the same allowance I have on the side where there's a collar gum. Now watch as I'm turning it and how I will stitch it. So we are going to do the same thing for the second side. Okay, let's turn this over. Just arrange the allowance inside properly and then you turn it over. All right, okay, you can see this. So let's get over to the second side and do the same. Now for the second side, we won't start stitching at the center, but we'll start at the end of the collar instead. The same allowance I have on the side that has collar gum is the same allowance I'm going to leave before I start stitching, to enable me turn in the edges of the collar. All right, just watch carefully. So we have stitched back to the center. So the same way I close the other edge, okay, the same way I'm going to turn this down here and I'll close this edge as well. Hope you can see clearly what I'm doing. Just hope you can see it clearly. Still turn it in properly. Turn it in properly. And then watch how I'm going to make the last stitch. This should be second to the last stitch, and we are done with this collar. Just watch carefully. Make sure all the seam allowances are hidden in the collar. Okay, there shouldn't be any threads on what you're stitching. Can you see what I'm doing? Very simple and straightforward. So you carefully stitch it, carefully stitch it to ensure that there is accuracy and the finishing is there, clean, and the work is fine. Very important. Very important. Alright guys, like I said, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, share the video. Thank you. So this is like the final stitch we're going to make on this collar. After this, we'll see how it will look like. Okay, all right, this is it guys. This is it. You can see this guys. This is powerful, this is clean, this is neat. Thanks for watching. Welcome to my channel. Thank you.